Unveiling the Cake Knife, a slice of English vocabulary. Hello, dear learners and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to sharpen our English skills by cutting into a very specific term, cake knife. Whether you're a baking aficionado or just love to equip your English arsenal with varied vocabulary, understanding terms like these can be the icing on your language learning cake. So, let's get slicing. A cake knife is more than just your ordinary kitchenware. It's a specialized tool designed to do one thing very well: cut through cakes. Unlike regular knives, a cake knife typically has a long, thin blade which allows for clean cuts without damaging the delicate structure of a cake. They often have a serrated edge, perfect for sawing through layers of sponge and frosting without dragging or squishing. Now, let's look beyond the kitchen drawer. In English, we love to use everyday objects in metaphorical expressions. If someone says, "You can't have your cake and eat it too," they're not giving baking advice. They mean you can't have two incompatible things at once. So, while a cake knife doesn't have a common metaphorical meaning, it's a great reminder of how tangible items can help us understand abstract concepts. Let's put cake knife into context with some sample sentences. At their wedding, the couple used a silver cake knife to cut the first slice. The baker recommended a sharp cake knife to ensure the layers remained intact. Understanding how to use the term in a sentence is a key step in mastering its usage. In some cultures, the act of cutting a cake has ceremonial importance. For example, the first slice of a wedding cake cut by a newlywed couple with a cake knife symbolizes their first joint task and their shared future. So, a cake knife is not just a tool but also a part of important traditions around the world. And there you have it, a full serving of knowledge about the term cake knife. I hope this video helps you understand not just the literal meaning but also encourages you to think about the objects around you in a new light. Keep learning, keep exploring, and remember, every slice of information makes you a more proficient English speaker. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.